Good afternoon. We're doing 1920 Prizm Premier Soccer. Eventually I'll have Mosaic Hobby Basketball. And I've ordered a bunch of retail, but it's going to be a long time on the retail, from what I've heard. Good luck, Greg. Here we go. Kaboom! There you go. Nathan Redmond. Good pick on the box. Agbana out of 25. Nice start to the box. Lucas Digny, rookie. Scores Club, Zaha. John McKinn, silver rookie. Ashley Young. Well, that's quite the name. Which I don't know how to pronounce. Charlie Taylor. Is that a hyper rookie? Firework Shakiri. Bernard Red, rookie, 68 of 149. Castro Purple. Angus Gunn, rookie. Good color rookies in there. I'm sorry I don't know the rookies are better. David Luiz, 9 of 99 purple autograph, Chelsea. Nine of 10, Rui Patricio, gold. Oh, nice, Greg. Gold autograph and a Kaboom in the same box. Sterling. Greg, very good box, I believe. Let me know if you'd like anything else.
When you get a chance, I have 3 more eBay payments that I could ship out.
Okay. Greg, anything else?